Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Now let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, what is the best way to scale Google Ads? Only $20 a day, stable conversions currently, and maximize conversions. Wanting to increase ad spend but not stuff up search campaigns. So first of all, before I answer this question, in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, management services, you can hire me and meet you through the link in the description. We look forward to working with you. Now let's move on to the question on how you can scale up. So what is the best way to scale up Google Ads? On $20 a day, stable conversions currently. It means that you're getting conversions good and you are on maximize conversions bidding strategy. I assume on this data because maximize conversion is a bidding strategy. And wanting to increase ad spends but not stuff up search conversions. Okay, so with $20 spending, okay, I believe that there are very few keywords which are getting traffic. Okay, have you seen ads by limited error on your campaigns? Ads by limited budget error. You often people see. In case if you see it, Google will give you a recommendation to increase your budget. One way is to do it with your budget. Only do the budget. I do not recommend to follow all the recommendations being done by the Google Ads automated software, but in case if you see the budget over here, you can try doing it out right now. So one thing is that there are few keywords which are getting traffic. Look around for those keywords. See your peak hours, peak conversion hours and days. Put more money in those hours and days. Okay, that this is a simple formula. For instance, you are getting 3 sales on Monday, 2 sales on Tuesday, and you have a constant trend of like you're getting 3 sales on Monday every week. So it means that you're getting more sales on Monday. We can put more money on Monday, and if you look around on your data, you see, I usually get most of my sales between 12 to 3 p.m. So it means that I can spend more money in that hour. So you just get that data through your analytics. So work on your analytics and put your more money on it. So that is a good way. But you won't be stuffing up search campaigns, because I believe that $20 a day is a very small amount. And since you wanted to increase your spending, I highly appreciate that, because the Google Ads do not work perfect with this amount. So yeah, work around increasing your campaign spend, and once you are done increasing your campaign spend from $20 a day to let's say $40-50 a day, there could be more opportunities for you, like you can put on new keywords, see your competitors are doing, what your landing page are, what your landing offer is. You can try optimizing all of these things, but right now, because your budget is low, these are the suggestions I like to give. I hope you like this. But in case if you want, or the audience wants a detailed audit of their Google Ads account, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We will be happy to work on Google Ads audit, setup, management services, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping, landing page services, web development, SEO services. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.